In this video, we will show you the method of creating console project in Office 365. Let's check out the steps to register the application with Microsoft Azure Active Directory, and enabling API access. First of all, you have to go to the Microsoft Azure portal, and sign in with admin account. After successful sign-in, select the portal option from the top menu bar. Then select the Azure Active Directory option from the left side menu. Then choose Apps Registration option from the Manage section, and then choose the New Registration option to register an application with Azure Active Directory. After entering a username for the application, choose the desired redirect URL option, and then hit Register button below. Then select the Certificates and Secrets option. And you can see the application client ID on top. This is the ID, which you have to use while performing migration, using SysTools Migrator software. Then you have to upload the certificate key. Enter the certificate provided by SysTools. You can find the key from the mentioned file path. Then click Upload Certificate and browse the file from the file location provided. If you are having your own certificate, then you can use that one. And then hit Open button to proceed. And hit Add button. Now you can see the success notification message on top. Then choose the API Permissions option, and select Add a Permission option. Then you have to grant the permission as per the application you are creating for. So you have to choose Exchange and select the application permissions first. Let's check out the method of adding permissions for source tenant. Select and grant permission manually for Exchange and Microsoft Graph options mentioned here. Check Full Access as App option first. Then from Mail, check Mail Read Write option. And hit Add Permissions option below. You will be redirected to a web browser for authentication. Click Accept to proceed further. Now you can see the permissions has been granted successfully. Then go back and select the Microsoft Graph option, and then choose Application Permissions. Then check Calendars Read option. Contacts Read option. Directory Read All from Directory option. Files Read All from Files option. Then Mail Read from Mails. And finally choose the User Read All option from User option. After selecting the options, click Add Permissions button below to proceed further. Now you will be redirected to a web browser for authentication. Click Accept to proceed. Now you can see the admin consent has been successfully granted for requested permissions. Now let's check out the method of adding permissions for destination tenants. Go to API Permissions and choose Exchange and then select the Application Permissions option. While granting permissions for destination tenant, make sure that you grant all the options mentioned here. After selecting Applications Permission, check Full Access as App option. Then select Mail Read Write option from Mail. After making the selections, click Add Permissions. Now you will be redirected. And click Accept to proceed further. Here you can see the admin consent for the requested permissions has been granted. Then choose the Microsoft Graph option, and select Application Permissions. Then select Calendars and choose Calendars Read Write option. And Contacts Read Write option from Contacts. Directory Read Write All option from Directory. Files Read Write All option from Files. Mail Read Write option from Mails. And finally, User Read Write All option from User. After making the selections, click Add Permissions button below. Now you will be redirected. And click Accept button to proceed. And here you can see the admin consent for the requested permissions has been granted successfully. while performing migration using SysTools Migrator software. It is here in this step you have to enter the source service account client ID and source PFX key path in the respective field options. And while using Office 365 as destination, enter the destination service account client ID and source PFX key path in the respective field options below. In this video, you saw the detailed method of registering the application with Microsoft Azure Active Directory, and enable API access for both source and destination tenants. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments and suggestions below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.